Alrighty, what's going on today, y'all? So today I'm going to be talking to you about these mechanical pencils. These are from a company called FORAY. And these are the soft grip 0.7 millimeter assorted barrel pencils. Assorted colored barrel pencils. Yeah, they come with it's essentially a pack of 12 different pencils. They're all multicolored. As you can see, some of them I've already just taken out of here. I took this one out also to show you guys. And they're really just a great little pack of pencils that I've been using throughout college. I've always used these FORAY ones. They're very inexpensive. And I actually ended up, the first time I used these, got this for free at a place I was interning at, and so I've just been using them ever since. They're really great. Let's kind of get into talking about the bodies and everything. So each of the pencils is about 6 inches long. So you can see, there it is in the palm of my hand, little reference. The pencils themselves are very lightweight, which is great. Really dig the fact that they're multicolored. I just think it makes writing in a weird way more fun, like a mental sort of thing. So that's kind of cool, and it comes with, again, like all different colors. You have your primary colors and beyond, which is nice. Design of these is very practical, I think so. It's very sleek, very modern. Just the overall shape of them is really nice. And they look great compared to a lot of those cheap, kind of like thin plastic mechanical pencils, which are just like, and they also just fall apart super easily, which sucks. So they look great and they just perform really efficiently. You click down at the top, and this is what's going to get you more lead, as you can see right there. That's pretty standard. Although there are some pencils which, and some people may disagree, I don't like them. The ones that you kind of click right down here at the barrel to actually get more ink out. Not really a huge fan of those types of pencils. I really like the top kind of click sort of thing. For some reason, it just makes more sense to me. And the lead comes out very smoothly as well. Ever feel like it's too much or too little at once, you're just getting like the perfect amount right there. So that's great, and I think just it keeps them nice and in shape. It keeps the erasers nice and in shape too, having these little plastic click things at the top. As you can see, you take it off. I'm not a huge fan of the tiny erasers. They definitely do wear out very quickly. I would recommend, if you're going to get these, maybe get a big eraser to use, because over time, you're not really going to have them anymore. Cool thing is at least you have these little plastic caps which you could put on top of the erasers, and if you're throwing it in like a backpack or something that may have like a little bit of a dirty pocket or whatever, this is really nice because it protects it. You also have the soft rubber grip, which is right up here. This makes actually writing with a pencil very comfortable, and it slims down near this end of the pencil, so you're really able to hold it nicely and let the weight of the back kind of rest. It's like kind of comfortable with the front, writing with the front end of the pencil. You also have the metal tip that's right here in the end. This you do definitely have to be careful with, because it does come unscrewed a bit sometimes, especially as you start using them a lot and start fiddling with them a lot. They come unscrewed and then they don't really stay on that well after that. So you might need to watch for that, but it's not a huge deal. You also have the clip that's right here. It's the same kind of metal-ish, plastic-ish clip that's right here on the side. This is perfect for, if you're writing with like a notebook or a binder or whatever, and you need to put it in there to save your page, or you need something to hold your pencil, or you're the old school pocket protector kind of person. This would be perfect for you. And then it also comes with erasers, you'll see in the plastic packaging. So as you see right here, and again, earlier we were talking about, that the erasers aren't the best in these pencils, so it's kind of nice that they added the additional ones. Again, still not the best, but it's nice that you have those to replace them if you need it. But yeah, overall, if you guys are looking for some inexpensive mechanical pencils, whether for the office, for school, for whatever, I would highly recommend these. And the FORAY mechanical pencils. These are the soft grip 12 pack 0.7 millimeter And yeah, check them out. Take it easy. Have fun writing. All right.